Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, if you're returning, thank you so much for your support. You know how much I appreciate you guys. Today we are going to do our last unboxing for September. I mentioned in my previous videos I got them all like within the last 3 to 4 days of the month, so that's why I didn't have any unboxings for September, and I believe this video is going up like in the first couple of days of October, and I apologize for that, but here we are. We're going to be reviewing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is the $25 a month subscription, so if you are interested in Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or my variation, please keep watching. Alright you guys, so I just want to get started. I love this subscription. You do get, okay, so back it on up. This is the $25 a month subscription. You get a drawstring bag is always included. You get 5 full-size items. You get to choose 3 of your items, and they usually are a pretty good selection curated to you. I'm very happy. I do feel like they go by your profile and your reviews. So I don't know if you watched my last videos, I went ahead and canceled the Boxy Luxe and the Boxy Premium, but I did keep all of the Ipsy subscriptions because I'm very happy. I like that that it is curated to me, that I feel like they do pay attention to that, and I do think that the value and all of the things worked out for me, so I did go ahead and keep those. Let's go ahead and get into it. So here is the bag. So very cute, very fall-ish. You know, probably if you're an adult or a parent, you could probably use this to go trick-or-treating. Why not? And then here is all of the things in the bag. You do receive a card, however it doesn't give you the price, so I have to get that off online. I think it's because we pick so many items from our bag that they don't have a printout for it, but it does give you little tips and tricks in here. And this one is work, school, life, like back to work, school, life. So there's that little guy. And all right, the first thing I'm pulling out is Murad. So I love Murad. You guys probably know this by now, but I don't care for a lot of skincare in my bags. I do like the brand Murad. Always happy to receive it in my bag, so I always know it's going to be a good product, so I'm not upset about that at all. Like, that's even if I'm currently using something else, I will definitely put this like next in rotation or next in line. So let's see. Ooh, I really like this. It has a little pump here. This is the clarifying oil-free water gel. But what do you do? Oh, this is step 3 of something. I don't know if you can see that, but whatever, that's fine. Instantly soothe, smooth, and hydrate with this oil-free moisturizer. Use AM and PM massage evenly over the face, neck, and chest. Follow with Murad sunscreen during the day. That's actually a really good idea. Okay, so I'm very happy with this. I'll put pricing over here because, like I said, it's not on the card, and I'll have, when I'm editing the video, that's when I put it up there. That's when I can have the time to, you know, don't want to waste your precious time. Oh, we got another Murad. I'm okay with this. Oh, this is the step 2. Okay, so that's good. I love that. That is awesome. This is the Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. So, I've been breaking out, I don't know if you guys can see here and here. So I believe this was one of my choice items. So I wanted, this is really weird. Like I've never had breakouts. Like I'd get a pimple here and there and a blemish here and there, but never like an actual, like, it's just crazy. So this is new to me. I don't know what's causing it. I don't know why it's happening, whatever. But here we are. We're gonna use this Acne Control Rapid Relief Spot Cream. It's a great size. It says apply a thin layer on affected areas 1 to 3 times daily or as needed. Ooh, okay. Fast acting formula penetrates pores to treat blemishes at the source, reducing size and redness within hours. This is exactly right up my alley. It's what I need. It's what I'm struggling with. You could I don't know if you could see it, but whatever. All right, so next in line. You know, I love brush tools. This is what? Ooh, it's from Real Her. It says, upside down. Real Her, and it says, love what you do. And I do. I love talking to you guys. All right. Ooh, look at this nice big brush. Oh, very soft. I love it. Ooh. So I probably maybe contour our blush, kind of huge, maybe even face powder. We will see. I'm sure somewhere on the website it says what it actually is for. I don't know at the moment. Okay, last 2 items. Stay Natural Blush Liquid from YC Collection. So I chose this because it sort of reminded me of the Selena Gomez, what is it? Rare Beauty, the liquid blush she got. And I thought this, oh, and it is a duo. That's what I thought. Okay. So there are 2 in here. You guys know I love double prizes. So there are the colors. They are liquid. And this sort of gave me, you know, the Rare Beauty vibes. I want to try that. Hopefully it comes in a box soon. This one looks a little bit orange, maybe for a fall color. We'll see. I haven't been able to do orange or peach colors on my skin tone. It kind of clashes, but let's see. Because I did do a little bit of orange in my eyelids. Okay, here is what that looks like. Let's rub that in. So I do feel like kind of a watery consistency. I'll show you on the next one a little better. A little bit watery consistency, and I feel like it might smear off. So let's see, let me keep rubbing. Definitely a little goes a long way. Not quite good for my skin tone, if you know what I mean. Okay, I'm gonna wipe that off because I feel like the other one, I'm gonna show you guys what it does. Okay, here is, okay, so what was this one? This one was Gayaba is the color on this. This one is Watermelon. Okay, here is the brush. Ooh, I don't know, it looks a little orangey also. Okay, I'm just gonna put one little dab and let's rub that in. So you could kind of see it has a little bit of watery, like, streakiness. I'm not sure. Maybe it's because I'm using a finger instead of like a beauty blender or a brush. So I'll have to play around with this. This one is a really pretty color. Camera, I feel like, is not doing it justice on my skin tone, but I do feel like I could use this one. It wouldn't be as bad. The other one was a little bit bright, but again, I'm going to play with it and see because of that consistency. Oh, excuse me. That consistency. And then we have a Color Boss Squad Make Moves. Ooh. I'll be making money moves. You know the song, you know. Ooh, this is fancy. Look at this. This girl boss fever all over. Now, let's see if I can figure this baby out. Oh, it's fancy. Look at that. Oh. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Kind of reminds me of the Real Her palette we've gotten a couple of months back. But I definitely, purples really complement my brown eyes. So I do love purple palettes. Let's see, we got to build up that one there. I think maybe it was just the way that I was sitting. Oh yeah, I love the colors. Definitely going to use that. All right, so let's do our recap. We've got the, oops, I just got my fingerprints all over it. We got the eyeshadow quad, the makeup brush, the, oops, I didn't put the lids on, the blush duos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. The Murad Acne Control and the Murad Clarifying Water Gel. All for $25. Definitely, again, I'm not disappointed. If I get skincare, I love this brand. So even though I got 2 of them, they're completely different types. There's a 1 and a 2, so you know, a step 1 and a step 2 and a step 3. Love that just, you know, happened to work out that way. And I love that I can make a clean face out of the items that I received. So I'm very happy with this subscription. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your variations were, and if you kind of feel the same way that I do about the Ipsy subscriptions versus the BoxyCharms as of right now anyway. We will see you in our next video. Also guys, I have clothing hauls coming up, and I am going to start doing my vlogs again. I just kind of got lazy, and I also just kind of needed a break, but those are coming soon, so stay tuned. Bye guys. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.